everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Enterprise, Detroit Airport. And let's go for a walk, see what cars we got available. I see a Miata over there. That's probably the returns. Got a VW Honda minivan, Jeep. Another minivan. We got an Escape. Mitsubishi. And a Chevy. A couple of smaller SUVs. And this is, we got a VW here, compact GTI. This is a weekday. Yeah, I do like these. I wouldn't mind trying one of these GTIs sometime. Let me take a peek. SSAR. So that might actually be... I'll have to look up the code. That might be sporty. SSAR is what the Jetta is. Got a Corolla, Hyundai.
Yeah, basically. All right, cool. You guys have a good day.
Here's another GTI. And, oh, these are all kind of queued up here, ready to be pulled forward. And I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. A quick look at some of the cars they have. Oh, there's another Jetta in the back there. I don't think that one's a GTI, though. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.